So I cut the first batch. I figured you don't need to see me cutting off every batch. And this didn't stand out quite as much, but whatever. I was frustrated. I got air gaps. I did not think I would, like, out of all the embeds I made, I did not think this one would be susceptible to air gaps, but I did. I took a little bit of the end pieces of the soap and just infilled it. So it's not the end of the world. But I was really annoyed. I was like, what the heck? Like, not prepared at all for that. So now I'm cutting the crabs, which was the stingray, which I did think was susceptible to air gaps. And I did attempt to fill the tail, even though the soap was starting to actually get a little thick on me. But let's take a look. The shell, you can see the mica line. I probably should have not done gold and done something else that would have popped. My little crab and the stingray. This was the other end where I had a little bit of the gray, and it apparently got pushed down further than I wanted. I like the swirl. I wasn't like, that was kind of a last minute. I was like, I don't want to, like, I had done swirl on all of them, but I added white to this one to make it lighter instead of making it darker like the other ones had a darker blue. And I'm glad I did. I like it. So, up, look, there's the top. There we go. Cool, no problem. And yeah, I don't think, so that one goes through a little bit. Like I said, I figured this one would give me issues, and I was having a hard time because the soap was getting filled. So I'm not surprised with that. It's not the end of the world. I have the end pieces. I can infill it. The question is, how many pieces does it go through? I think it's just those 5. The crab got a little air gap. That's okay. Yeah. Not, again, not the end of the world. I can infill it. It's just frustrating. I actually really like this stingray embed. It's cool. And I love the top. Nope, it's just missing. That's okay. It is there. Like, again, when I put the 2 pieces in, I had, like, I tried to push them together, but I obviously got a tiny air gap, and I cut right in between them. Like, to find that takes talent. If I tried to do that, I wouldn't be able to. Look, there he is. You can see, just missed him. A little bit of an air gap there, not awful. So, cool. Definitely, you're gonna have to infill the tail because that's definitely susceptible, or between the tail and the fin, that's definitely susceptible to air gaps, as you can see. And I did infill it, but my soap was just getting too thick. And it's fine, like, not the end of the world. So, yeah, there you have it. I still have to cut the shark.